Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way, lesson 6a, in which we will learn the Makhraj of dha. We are learning Makhraj using the letter poem. Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. We have covered that. And tongue has many, 12 from the tip. Repeat after me. Tongue has many, 12 from the tip.
Tongue has many,
12 from the tip. And we have learned tha and the. How do you say tha or the? Same makhraj, that is the same spot for pronouncing them. How do you say tha? Touch the tip of the tongue to the edge of upper teeth and blow it with a light sound. Tha. Okay, and blow with a light sound. Tha. And for the, you blow with a strong sound like the. Before we learn the, let us first take the English word awe. A-W-E. He was in awe of something great. Awe. So the difference between a and a, the sounds, just notice the difference between a and a. Can you repeat after me? A, 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 a. Now see and feel yourself how the tongue is rising up. The whole tongue is rising up. Ah. And that is the difference between the and the. Okay, so repeat after me 3 times. The, 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 the. And also again, if you want to control the tip, you cut it and touch the hurting tip to the upper teeth. So say the with ah, something like that. The. It's very thick and high letter. The. And look at the shape of the tongue. And look at the bottom of the bulb. Is it not the same? Subhanallah, that's amazing Arabic. Even the letters have some message. That is, the bulb in the is similar to the tongue shape. So say the with a or of. Don't say it like Zoe or ze or whatever. It is the. So repeat after me 3 times. Of. The, the, dhu. The, the, dhu. The, the, dhu. The, the, dhu. Dhan, dhin, dhun. Dhan, dhin, dhun. Dhan, dhin, dhun. Dhan, dhin, dhun. And let's take some words. Adlamu, 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 adlamu. Zalim, 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 zalim. Azim, 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 azim. Zulm, 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 zulm. We'll talk about it more later. That's it for now. Assalamu alaikum. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.